Yo, what's up? What's up? So I'm going over my entry I took today in Trade Locker. My bad. In Top Step, I actually took this trade on my demo account because I wasn't gonna take a trade today. Um, I was just fucking around with demo. I took a couple of just bullshit trades, but I want to go over this one because this one is one I kind of really liked, and I saw something. So in the morning we had a rally, had a jump after the 10 o'clock news, kind of flickered. It was trading around this area, broke past this area, held this area of support that was previously resistance. So when it came back up and news hit, it spiked up, held here. I had this level marked off. And I was looking at trades. I was short bias, so I was just taking I was taking ass trades. Look, I was taking a lot of shorts and just not being patient. And this play reminded me of a play that I used to take a lot. That the sellers they lose momentum. The sellers lose momentum, and it's a little bit like a double top. So let's see if I. So it's a little bit like a double top. If you see here, it's a resistance level. Then it comes here, holds, and then people still want to go. People still are getting in, right? But these are the things that are like driving people out the plays. So it's like trapped buyers here. So they come here, they get more buyers in. It looks good. The price action looks pretty good. Break a structure. It's green. It's rallying. Oh, okay, it's gonna keep going, and boom! Look, that candle right there. Let me zoom in. So that candle to me, and this candle to me, it looks, and even this candle looks like this area is something to. It's like it's not really doing anything. It's like this area is an area where like it's like a support and resistance level. It's like a support and resistance level. Okay. So when I see something like that, especially those wicks, I wanted to get in a short here, and I might have 11.22. Let's see. I was taking all kinds of bullshit trades, but don't mind that. 11.22. So around here, yeah, see, I was already like looking for something. 17.29. So 17. I thought I was gonna continue short around here. Came up, kind of. I did kind of the same thing here. You see how this candle and this candle are right next to each other? That's what I took in here. So I thought I was gonna dip down here, but it's around kind of the same area, maybe like 1 or 2 points away. Um, didn't get in, or didn't held, but it kept going up. Got out. I would have got stopped out most likely, and so I held. Got out there. Waited. Uh, 29 got in here. I thought it was gonna do that because it was just losing momentum, and you see on the footprint charts. You see on the footprint charts. 29, 29. So it was all happening in this general area. Okay, and if you see, so 17 here too, here, and it still went up a little bit and whatever. So I just waited here. Wasn't ready. Got in here. Got in here at 56.88, and then it just kept going down. Came up a little bit, went down. My Wi-Fi got fucked up, so I probably would have got sketched out with that. It the play ran the whole way, which was pretty cool. So, um, but yeah, if you see that, it's like you see like a pattern, right? This is what I kind of saw, a double top pattern. Came down, faked out, got people up, double bottom pattern kind of, and then boom, again came up. Um, I think I got in right before the candle closed. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I remember seeing a 40 on here. A 40. So yeah, 15. That makes sense. So yeah, I got in 31, 16. So I saw it was looking good. And it probably went up just a little and then came down. It was a good play. And yeah, if you see here, if you look at the order flow, look, a weak bull candle with heavy green buyers. Okay. Came down, a lot of sellers here, came down, buyers are fighting. Big orders here, came up and rejected here, a lot of buyers, but it didn't continue. So came down here and watch. Let me actually replay this really quick, just so you can kind of take a look. I'll do just 5 minutes, and I will speed it up. Okay. 11:25. And then today's the 4th. Is it the 4th? The 5th. Today is the 5th. 05. Okay. And just take a look at what I was looking. Okay. So I'm seeing here it's holding this kind of a general area. And it's holding. Can we speed it up? Okay, so see how I held that? Came down real quick. And I was like, oh, okay. There's heavy market participation here, but there was no there was no action. So I thought it was gonna actually go lower. And I'm glad I had the take profit at $1,000 and I moved it up to $5,000 because just small wins, small little dubs. So I saw it hold this area, right? And I got in at 29 or 31. I don't remember. Give me a second. 31.16. So, okay. So, this is what I'm seeing, right? See, it's getting close. I saw 40s. I think I got in around there. 30. No, I got in 31. 31.16. 31.16. Yeah. So, when this turns to 40, that's when I was like, okay. So, see that? It wasn't pushing up. Okay. It was pushing down. Wasn't quite pushing down. I was like, okay, let's see. Let's find a good entry. See what's happening. I get in. See, okay, it pushed up. Nope. And that's when I saw the little flickers, saw buyers there, and boom, I got in there. I got in there. So I stayed in it because look, got in. They kept trying to push up, and nothing. They were just eating stuff up. They were just standing there for a bit, and I thought it was gonna keep going up. If it would have invalidated me. But yeah, my stop was right above that, and it was kind of tight. But I knew from here if it was gonna go lower than here, then cool. This general area, which is this general area, you got to see like these candles. It doesn't have to move too much for it to be a big move. So let's see. See from here at 88 to 70, 78, 77. You see, like 88, it's already at 85. That's 3 points. Okay. I think my Wi-Fi turned off around here. So like I said again, I'm glad it didn't keep me in the position. It didn't. I didn't see the position. So 38.18, and it's going. Its sellers are strong. Buyers step in, but it goes down still. Has a positive delta, which that's something to look at. Goes down 38.18. I got out already, right? And then the market continues to do what it was doing, which was going up. And yeah, that was a cool little trap play from people trying to get in. Made a high, higher low, higher high. Maybe got people in, people out, just to keep pushing up. Because the market did keep going up. So keeps going up, and yeah, I got those little wins, real quick 500. It was on a demo account because, like I said last week, I was trading bad, so I wanted to kind of be calm today and treat today like you know what I mean, like one of those trades. I can look for something where I have gotten good trades around this time, where time is about to end, you know. But like here, look, right here is not really a good play. But I have to look at this. You want to see how it's high. You don't want to buy here for long because that's already been gone. Look from here from 88 to that's like 20 something. That's like 20 points. You know what I mean? Almost 20 points. So you gotta have to look if you want to go for long, get a discount. Get a discount and wait it out. But right now it is Monday and I am not going to trade today. I did trade demo and I did have a positive P&L today, which is fine. Taking a lot of trades, but I took a lot of solid trades and a lot of risk management where I wasn't really holding my positions too long and taking big L's, but it did work out in my favor. So tomorrow, again, same thing. I'm gonna look at the trend in the morning. You know what I mean? Look at the trend in the morning. See if it jumps bull or the bull's there. Okay, then just trust the trend. You know what I mean? Trust the trend. It came up. It's going up. Look, it just keeps going up. And I was gonna get in right here, bro. Oh man, that would have been a fucking good play. But we were doing a live trading thing, and I was learning, asking questions, learning and learning. So it's about that. It's about that getting better little by little and sticking to your plan. All right. So take your vitamins and do your thing. All right. Peace. Peace. Peace.